So today, open your books, mathematics class 6. Okay, and in this book, I will start the first chapter. Okay, so open your books and I will explain you some topics in this knowing our numbers. This is your first lesson in this book, knowing our numbers, and you have already studied some types of numbers like the natural numbers and the whole numbers and integers etc. So these are the numbers here, and in this we will just read about the natural numbers and how to arrange the numbers in the ascending order, descending order, then what are the meaning of the place values and the phase values. Okay, so and what is the meaning of the expanded form, then you have the successor, then predecessors. So all these I am going to discuss all these topics in this first, and first is here the recap exercise. Okay, so in this I will just explain, that is give you the answer of the first question here, that in the recap exercise. So in the first question, first is write the largest and the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, the first question is write the largest and the smallest 4-digit number using the digits 3, 1, 5 and 4 without repetition. Okay, that is here you are given the condition that we will not repeat the digits. So the first question is this, that is the, and you are given the numbers. Okay, you are given the digits here 3, 1 and 5 and 4. Okay, these are the 4 digits, and you have to form a largest 4-digit number. So what is the largest 4-digit number? Largest 4-digit number, and here in this the largest 4-digit number. Okay, and here you will not say that the largest 4-digit number is 9,999. Okay, because in this we have to make, we have to make a largest 4-digit number by using these 4 digits only. Okay, we have to use these 4 digits only. So what is the largest 4-digit number? Okay, so here the number will be largest only when we write that is the largest number in the beginning, that is 5 will be first, and then you will write 4. Okay, then you will write 3, and then you will write 1. So this is the largest 4-digit number using these 4 digits only. Okay, that is 5,431. Okay, and here the condition is that we have, that is we will not repeat the digits. Okay, so this is the answer in this case. And next number is number 2, and also in this the other part is the smallest 4-digit number. Okay, what is the smallest 4-digit number? The smallest 4-digit number equal to, now just here reverse, that is 1 will be, because we have to make the smaller number here. So 1 will be here first, then 3, then 4 and then 5. So this is the smallest 4-digit number. Now next is number 2, write the place value and the phase value of the colored digits from the following. You know the phase value and the place values? The place value and the phase value. So what is the place value and the phase value? For example, suppose there is a number, take that number example 4531. Okay, this is a number 5431. So in this, suppose the question is what is the phase value of 4? The phase value is the same as the digit. So here in this case the phase value, okay, phase value of 4 equal to 4. And what is the place value of this? Place value of 4 equal to, now see that because 4 is at the hundreds place, so the place value of 4 is 4 into 100 equal to 400. So this is how you will find the place value of a given number. So in the question number 2, the first question is that here you have a number A 3948 and 750 also. That is, if you read this number, this is 39,48,750. Okay, so here 4 is colored here. Okay, this digit is colored here in your book, and you have to find the face value and the place value of this. So what is the face value of 4 in this case? In this case, the face value will remain the 4 here in this case, and in this case, what is the place value of 4 in this number? So the place value in this number will be 4 into, now this is at the 10,000th place, so multiply here 10,000, so answer will be 40,000. So the place value of 4 will be here 40,000 and the face value remain 4. So this is the answer, and then do the other questions as a homework. Okay, now next is question number 3. Okay, find the difference between the largest and the smallest 6-digit numbers. Find the difference between the smallest and the largest 6-digit number. So what is the largest 6-digit number? Largest 6-digit number. Equal to this is the largest 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999. Okay, this is the largest 6-digit number, and the smallest 6-digit number. Equal to, the smallest one will be, that is 1,0,0,0,0, and we have to find the difference of these two numbers. So that is, you have to subtract. So subtract here, and how much answer will be? That is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and here 8. So this is the answer. That is, the difference is this. Okay. So next is here, arrange the following numerals in the ascending order. Okay, we have to arrange the given numbers in the ascending order. And what is the meaning of ascending order? Ascending order means that is in the increasing order. That is, increasing means you will write first the smallest number, then bigger number, then bigger number, then bigger number, then at last the biggest number. That is the meaning of ascending order. So question number 4, arranging. So here the numbers are 34,987, 34,987, 45,059. Next is 3,875. And the next number is 4,566, and the last one is here 45,182. 45,182. Okay, so now these are the numbers and we have to arrange in the ascending order. So first find out the smallest number in this. So what is the smallest number here? So see that this is the smallest number because this is a 4-digit here and this is 3 here, 4, and so this is the smallest number. So write first, that is ascending order, 3, 8, 7, 5. Okay, this number is smaller than which number? This, that is 4, 5, that is this number, and next number is, that is the bigger number from this. Which number is bigger than this number? Now see that here you have this 34,000 something, 45,000 here, and this is also 45,000 here. So out of these 3 numbers, the smallest one is this. So after this number we will have this number, 34,987. Next is, now see that it is 45,000 here, also 45,000 here, but see here 4, 4, then 5 and 5. Okay, then here it is 0, that is at this place, hundreds place, it is 0 here and this is 1 here. So in this case this is 0 and this is 1 here. So 1 is bigger than 0 and both are at the hundreds place, therefore this number will be larger than this number. Okay, so this is smaller, means we will write here 4, 5, 0, 5, 9, and the greatest one is 45,182. So this is the arrangement of the given numbers in the ascending order. Okay. So now other questions are the same here, like B questions, and also the rewrite the numbers in the descending order. So in case of the descending order, you will arrange the given numbers in the decreasing order. That is, first you will write the largest number and then smaller one, then smaller one, then smaller one, and at the last it will be the smallest one. Okay, so here question number 5 is also similar as in the question number 4. So that is your homework. And next is number 6. Okay, we have to expand, write the following numbers in the expanded form. Okay, so question number 6, write the number in the expanded form. So I will do one question here and the rest is for you. So 4,30,945. 4,30,945. Okay, we have to expand, write in the expanded form here. So what the place value of this is what? 4 lakh. So you write here this plus the place of this is for 10,000 here. So 3 0, then 0 0 0 plus here 0. So don't write here because the value of 0 will be 0 here. So just skip this and then write for 9. It is here 900 and plus it will be 40 and then 5. So this is the expanded form of this number. Okay, and there are 2 more questions. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is that we have to write in the standard form. Okay, we have to write the number in the standard form. So in case of this, for example, take any question here. I will take question number C. It is 4 plus 6,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 5. So here see that the 5 is at the ones place, then 7 is at the tens place, and 3 is at the hundreds place, and 6 is at the thousands place, but there is no number at the 10,000s place. So what will be there? It will be 0 at that position, that is at the 10,000s position it will be 0, and 4 will be at the lakhs position. So in this case the answer will be 4, okay, 0, then 6, and then 3, 7 and 5. So this is the answer in the standard form. Okay. Now in this question number 8, we have to put commas at the correct place in the following numbers and write them in words also. Okay, we have to write in words and then put the comma at the appropriate places. So question number 8, C suppose. Okay, C here you have 27 lakh or 2,70,000. Okay, 2,70,000 829. 2,70,829. So its name is 2,70,000. 1,008 100 and 29. This is the number name in words, and here I have put the comma at the proper places. So in this way you can write the number name of the other numbers in the question. Okay. Next is number 9. Add these two numbers and write the sum in words. Okay. So this is your homework, and also number 10 is your homework. Okay. So now we will study about the large numbers. Okay. In large numbers, you will study about the numbers, that is the 7-digit numbers. Then you have the 8-digit numbers. Okay, 7-digit numbers and the 8-digit numbers. And you know that there are two systems of numeration. One is called the Indian system of numeration, and other is called the international system of numeration. Okay, so in case of the Indian system of numeration, we use like the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, etc. And in case of the international system of numeration, we use the place values as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. Then next is a million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay. So here first is the 7-digit. Okay. And in this, whenever we have the number, then in any number you have the periods and the places. Okay, that is whenever we write, then we have the periods and the places. So 7-digit number. Seven-digit number. Okay, so take the example like 7412506. Okay, this is the example of a 7-digit number. Okay, so here we will write the periods. Okay, that is the periods will be here ones, or you can write here the periods, and there are periods here. In this case you have the lakhs, thousands and ones. Lakhs, thousands and ones. Okay, so lakhs, thousands and ones, this is the period here. Then you have the places. Okay, places will here in this, in case of lakhs you have 2 places, and in thousands also you have 2 places in this case, and in ones you have 3 places. So in lakhs you have 2 places, and here you have also 2, and in this case you have here 3 places. So lakhs, that is you have the 10 lakh. Okay, 10 lakh, then here lakh, and it will be here 10,000. Okay, and here it will be 1,000, th, and hundreds means h here, then 10, that is t, and ones means o. Okay, so these are the places. Okay, so 10 lakh, lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens, ones. These are the periods. These are the places. Sorry, these are the places, and ones, thousands, lakhs are the periods. Now this number right here, that is 6 is at the ones place, then 0, then 5, then 2, then 1, and then 4, and then 7. So this is the place value chart for this number, 7-digit number. And then what will you read this number as? That is, it will be 74 lakhs. Okay, 12,506. Okay, this will read as this. So this is the 8-digit number. Okay, so if you write here that in the lakhs position, that is lakhs, then thousands, and then ones. So in case of this, you will have this number 74 lakh, that is 74 lakh, and then here 12,000, and in here it is 506. Okay, this is how we write the numbers. So that is 74 lakhs 12,506, and in this way we read this number in words. Then you have the 8-digit number. Okay, in case of the 8-digit number, this is 7-digit number here, then we have one more place in this case and one more periods also. So in this case again, increase one more here, that is crores. Okay, crores period here. Okay, and in this case you have the period here, and then places. Okay, this is the places here, and then 10 lakh. In this again you have two places in this case, that is 10 crore and also crore in this case. Okay, so that is up to this you have 8-digit number. Okay, and when you take this much also, it will be of 9-digit number, and 9-digit number is not in your syllabus, I think. Okay, you have to study out only 8-digit number. Okay, so confine our explanation only up to this 8-digit number. So this is the crores place in this case. Suppose there is a number here 8. Suppose this is a 8-digit number here. Okay, now here 8 crores, it will be read as, that is 8 crore 74 lakh 12,506. Okay, and in this case the places are, just erase this. Okay, don't read this here because this is not in your class. Up to this you have. So you have the places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakh, and crore. And these are the periods, that is crore, lakh, thousands, and ones. Okay, so these are the periods, crores and lakhs. Okay, so these are the periods, and in this way you will name these. So this is the that is, all these are the Indian system of numeration. Now the next is the international system of numeration. So in case of the international system of numeration, suppose this is the 8-digit number, then how will we write this 8-digit number in the international system of numeration? So in that case everything will change in this, that is the name of the periods and the places also. Here in this case you have the periods. Periods, then places here. So what are the periods in this case? You have the millions, then here thousands, and then here ones. Okay, these are the periods. And draw this line and this line, and here this line. Now see here the places. Okay, and what is the places here in this case? So in millions you have 3 parts. Okay, that is 1 part here and 2 part, and also here 3 parts. That is, in case of the international placement system, you have the 3 parts. Okay, that is, all the periods are divided into 3 groups. Okay, so this also here 3. Now in case of this you will write that ones place. Okay, ones, that is O here, then tens place, then hundreds place, then here thousands place, that is TH, and then here this is 10,000s place, TTH, and then this is 100,000 place, that is HTH. Okay, then millions, that is here in this case 1 million. In this case you will write 100 million. Okay, 1 HM 100 million, and here 10 million, and here only million. Okay, so HM, TM, M, and HTH, that is, just remember this H means here 100 and M means here million. So 100 million, 10 million, million, 100,000, 10,000, and here 1,000, 100, tens and ones. Okay. So now here if you write this number, then now see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But we have to study about only 8 digits here. So remove this place from this. Okay. We have to study up to this much only, 10 million. So write this number, then it will be here 8, and then 7, then 4, then 1, and then 2, and 5, and 0, and 6. So how will we read this number? So the reading, that is, if you read this number in words, then it will be that is millions place, that is 10 millions and then millions, that is 87 million, because these two numbers are in the millions period. So 87 million, and then these three numbers are in the thousands period. So we will read this as 412 thousands. Okay, 412 thousands and 506. So its name will be 87. 87 million. 87 million. 412 thousand, then 506. Okay, this is the that is the number name in words. Okay, and suppose if you have only 7 digits, then how will you read this? Suppose erase this number here. Okay, then you have here, that is the 7 million. In this case we will read this as the 7 million. Then you have this 400. Okay, that is, in that case the number will be this much only. Okay, that is when it is of only 7 digits, then the name will be 7,412,506. So this is how you will read these numbers. Okay, so I hope you understood the Indian system of numeration and the international system of numeration. Okay, so now we will solve some questions in this, that is exercise 1.1. So exercise 1.1, the first question is write the following numbers in words. Okay, so the first question is, that is exercise 1.1. Okay, number 1 is here, write the following numbers in words. So the first question is A, 34, then comma, here 56, and then you have the 809. So what is the name? Okay, that is first whatever number you are given, first you will put commas at the appropriate places, that is divide the number in the respective periods. Okay, you know the periods are there, like again I will repeat, the periods in the Indian system are ones, thousands, lakhs, and then crores. And in case of the international system of numeration, the periods are ones, thousands, then millions. Okay, and I also explained you the places. So here now you have this period, that is this is the lakhs period, this is the thousands period, and this is the ones period here. So how will you name it here? You will write 34 lakh. 56,000, 1,809. 9. So this is the number in words. So you will write other numbers in words. Okay, there are 6 questions in this, so I did one, so you will do other questions. And I had also done many questions in the that is answer sheet. Okay, and you can download all those answer sheets, and in that I have done many questions. So then and the questions which I have not solved, you will solve them. Okay, and those questions which are not done by me, you will do those questions as a homework. So the next question is number 2. Write each of the following in the expanded form. Number 2, expanded form here again. That is, suppose I take the question number C. Okay, C, and you have to write in the expanded form. So the number is 83,24,041. Right? So how will you write here that? So here take this 8, and what is the place value of this? It is the 10 lakhs place. Okay, so it will be 10 lakh. That is, you will put here in this case 0, then 0 0, then 0 0 0. That is, this is the place value of this number. Then you have this, that is 3 lakh here, 0 plus then this 20,000 plus this 4, it will be 4,000 plus this is 0, so don't write. Okay, that is at 100's place, the 0 missing, so we will not write. It is not missing actually, but it is 0, so don't write. This is here 4, then write here 40 and 1. Okay, because 1 is at the 1's place. So this is the expanded form of this number. And similarly you will do the questions A and B, which are easier than this number. Okay, so next is write each of the following in the international system of numeration. Yes, question number 3. We are given some numbers, and we are told to write these numbers in the international system of numeration. So we have to put the commas at the different places, like this 6 5 and 0 0 8. So first remove the comma, like this it will be 3 6 5 0 0 8. So in case of the international system of numeration, we always put the periods, okay, after every 3 digit. Okay, moving from right to left. Okay, always move from right to left, and then like this. Okay, you start from this, that is now 1 2 3 comma. Okay, 1 2 3. Now there is no number here, so this is the answer in this case. So this is the this is expressed in the international system of numeration. Okay, and it will be read as 365,008. And similarly other number, for example larger number like C, 42604,509. Okay, now we have to write in the international system of numeration. Again, start with the left side and then count 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3 comma. That's it. So this is the answer of this. That is, now you can read this number as 42 million, because this is in the millions period, and this is in the thousands period, and this is in the ones period. So 42,604,000 and 604,509. So that is the yes. Now question number 4. In the question number 4, write each of the following in Indian system of numeration. Also write the number in words. Okay, so in this again I will do question number 4, or suppose yes, I will do 4. In this case you have 400 here, and then 587 500. Okay, this is the number. Now first place the periods. Okay, that is the comma at the appropriate places. So again you will start from the right and move on the left direction. But in case of the Indian system of numeration, we will first count to 3 digits and then after to 2 digits. So that is 1, 2, 3, then comma, then 1, 2, then comma, 1, 2, then comma here. So you have this number. Now see that it is, now this is in the ones period, and this is in the thousands period, and this is in the lakhs period, and this is in the crores period. Okay. Yes, so what is the name of this? That it will be 40 crores. Okay, its name will be 40 crores. crore, then here 5 lakh, 5 lakh, then 87,000, 87,000, 87,500. 500. So this is the answer of this question, that is this number in words. Okay. Then other two questions are remaining. Then write the successor. So successor means successor, like okay. So now it's over. Okay, now I will do in the next class the remaining questions, right? Okay, then I have not solved many questions, so that is your homework and you will do as a homework. Okay, in the next class, and in the next I will start that is, there are 2 more exercise in this. 1.2 is there and 1.3 is there. Okay, so I will take up this in the next class. Thank you.